No, wait, Tono ha. I did not record this one. Oh, so I did not record the entire. Oh, but at least you're here. I will just tell your mom that we were having a class, but I did not. I forgot to record this one. Oh my God, I really forgot, Tono. But tomorrow, Tono, I will see you. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Tono. See you tomorrow, 3 p.m. Friday. I will take note first. Tono,
Okay.
3 p.m. And okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye, Tono.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good night.
Okay.